Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are creating traveling map animation in Kinemaster. Before we start, let's see what we create today. Let's get started. Tap on this plus icon to create a new project. Here, select 16:9 aspect ratio. Now import any color plane from background. Now increase background layer duration up to 12 seconds. Now import map image. Tap on layer, select media and now import it. You can download this image from description. Let's fit it to canvas size. Tap this icon to split screen. Now increase this layer duration. Now import location pointer. Tap on layer, select media and now import it. Scale down this image as shown in the video. And place it here. Increase this layer duration. Let's animate it. Select this layer, tap on in animation. Select pop-up animation. And the speed is 0.7. Now duplicate this layer up to 3 times. Tap on these 3 dots, and select duplicate. Now place this layers as shown in the video. Now import this image. Increase the duration of this layer. Now scale down this image as shown in the video. Place it here. Now send this layer to backwards. Now you can see pointer image above the dot. Tap on layer, select handwriting. Select circle. Select this size. Now draw a circle as shown in the video. Place it as shown in the video. Increase timeline duration. End of the pointer animation, duplicate dot layer. But here trim this layer to left of playhead. Move this layer as I shown in the video, also increase duration. Now change this layer position as I shown in the video. Now move couple of frames forward, and duplicate this layer. Select down layer, and move it as I shown in the video. Now change this layer position as I shown in the video. Now add more dots as I shown in the video. Let's see. Now select this last layer. And here select second pointer. Now tap on scissor icon. Select trim to left of playhead. Now repeat this for all pointers. Now delete this layer. Let's see how it's look. My animation is little much slower here, let me fix this. Perfect. Let's add text. Tap on layer, select text. Now change the font. Tap this icon to change the font. You can use any of these fonts. I am using this Jolly Lodger regular font. Place it here. If you want to add shadow to your text, you can add it from here. I am not going to adding shadow. I am adding outline to this text. Let's animate text. Select text layer, tap on in animation. Select enter slide up animation. And the speed is 0.5. Now duplicate text layer. Place it here. Tap this icon to edit text. Tap on scissor icon, and select trim to left of playhead. Now the same for remaining pointers. Now increase text layers duration. Also this layers. Now bring all pointers layer to front. Let's animate dots. Select first dot layer, tap on overall animation. You can use blink, slow, or flicker, or pulse animations to your project. I am going to using pulse animation to my project. This one is best to me. Apply this animation to all dots layers. This is my final animation, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.